Alright, so this is step 2 on HTML, or getting your websites going. And on this step we're going to learn how to do better formatting. I'm not liking this, I'm not liking that. And our formatting we're going to do using a cascading style sheet. And the reason why is because if you have multiple pages, if I have my index, my page 1 and my page 2, if I change formatting, I want to change them on all pages. So I want a central location where I can change formatting on all pages. So to do this, we use what's called a cascading style sheet. So we go new text document like we created the HTML files. Again, there are other ways of doing this. I am just showing you what I believe is the quickest, easiest way. It's your guys' choice of what you want. I'm going to call it style, and I want to change my extension from .txt, so it's not a text file. It's going to be to a cascading style sheet. So we're now creating a cascading style sheet. I am also going to open this in NetBeans. Now, I'm just going to drag it to the top here. Don't drag it into here, and I'll show you the reason why now. And you'll see I'll have my style sheet open. Now, when you have a style sheet, you need to link the style sheet to the page. So in my index.html, I'm going to open that, and I'm going to link now. To link my style sheet to that, I literally just drag it across my style sheet file across here, and I drop it in there. Now that means that the style sheet is taken on this page, index.html is taking on the style sheet. So to repeat that, I literally went to my style, I dragged it into the area inside the head. Remember, the head is the page's properties, and you need to drag it into there. When you've got from there, we're then going to go and we're going to say, in our style sheet, we're going to add some things. So if I, for example, now say H1, I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see it better. So if I say H1, open curly brackets, close curly brackets. Now this means I am editing heading 1's properties here. So now if I press COLR, color space, I can then, guys, please keep it down. Then I say I want it to be blue, semicolon, and I want it, for example, to be then, I don't remember what I can change font family, font size, I can do a lot of different things that I want to. Okay. So if you go Control Spacebar, you'll see that it gives you a whole bunch of different options of things that you can do. I'm not going to go into details right now. Right now we are literally just going to have font color blue, and I could do the same for P, and I could have the color for P being red. Now once I've saved that, you'll notice in your HTML in a nutshell it does go through the properties there, but there's also a CSS in a nutshell, which also goes through a whole bunch of different cascading style sheet options and things that you can change in there. And we'll get to more details later. Step 2 is literally just about how to link your styles to your HTML file. So this is the HTML file, and this is the styles that this applies to it. So now when I refresh my ice cream page, you'll see it's got a blue ice cream and a red hello world, as I stipulated inside my style sheet, which is linked to here. We're going to go into more details just now. This is literally just a short little video on how to get your style sheet to link to your web page. And our next phase, or next step, we'll learn more complicated HTML tags and how to get your structure of your website up and running. So how to add an image, a couple of things like that. So next one will be a bit longer, but that's step 2. Happy birthday.